once again, and happy Sunday to you all. So in today's video again, we are going to be looking at another brand new airdrop that is out, and this airdrop is supposed to list. The listing is supposed to be happening early next year, which is the Q1 of next year, which is from January to February to March. Yes, from January, February to March, the listing is the launch is supposed to take place. So we are still early, and it just started some few days ago. So we starting now. We are very early at the early stage of this airdrop. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you on how to get started with it, from the registration, from the mining, and the KYC, and even the tax that are available to be done. So I will urge you to watch this video very carefully and to follow me step by step. So without wasting much of your time, the airdrop that we are discussing about today, or we are trying to start with about today, is MINTRAX airdrop. Yes, you heard me right, MINTRAX airdrop. This airdrop that is over here. Yes, it's this airdrop that is over here, MINTRAX airdrop. So I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to register, on how to do your KYC, and even on how to do the mining and all the tax. So to get this started, the link is going to be under the description of this video. All you just need to do is just to copy the link and you're going to start, or you can just head over to our Telegram channel over. So once you come over to our Telegram channel over here, you can see we have already explained on how you can get started with this airdrop over here. So all you just have to do over here, first thing first, you just need to come to this place and copy this link that is over here. Remember to copy this link, and once you copy this link, you're going to be using the referral code that is going to be displaying also on this link. You copy the link from the description of the video or from the Telegram channel. The next thing you need to come over is just to come over to your browser, either your Mrs. browser or your Chrome or any of the browsers that you are using. Once you open your browser and you start up a new tab, all you just need to do is just for you to paste in the link that you copied, and once you paste in the link, all you just need to do is just to click on enter. So once you click on the enter over here, this is how it's going to bring the referral code. It's already here. Remember to use the referral code, and this is the referral code that is over here. So once you click over here, there's something I want people to get very well over here. You can see where they say first name and last name, and first name can be your first name on your ID card, either the name that they give birth to you with, or any of them. I don't know, anyone you just choose, but you need to use the first name on how it appear on your ID card, and also the last name, which is your surname. Yes, your father's name over here. So first thing, let's get it done. So here now, once you put in your first name, then your last name, which is your surname, then you just need to put in your username that you want to use. Then here you just put in the email so that they will send the code to you to verify them. Here you just need to put in your password. Then lastly over here is going to be the referral code, which is going to be this way. So after doing everything, you just need to click on create an account. Once you click on create account, it's going to ask, they are going to send the code to your email that you have used over here. Just head over to the email and just copy the code. So once you have copied the code, you just put the code, you just click on this verify email that is over here, and as you can see, it's going to be verifying you. It's going to take you in. So over here, as you can see over here, this is how the interface is going to be showing you in. So, and once you download it, there's going to be an option where maybe they can pump up the APK for you to download it, or I will show you how to get the APK download over here also in this video. So you just click on these three lines that are over here. Just click on these three lines that are over here, and once you click on the three lines, you're going to be seeing where you're going to be mining. You come to this place that they say mining over here, and once you click on the mining, just go back. Once you click on the mining, you can just choose to click any side over here, or you just click on the back of your phone over there, and once you click, you can see over here you just need to click on this claim mining reward. You just need to click on it. As you can see now, it's going to be mining for you over here for 24 hours. That is once a day. And as you can see over here, the basic reward over here is 2, and total claim over here is 2. I'm going to be mining 2 coins over here. I'm going to be showing you all how to convert the point to the main coins also in this video, and you're going to be seeing your streaks over here. Your mining streaks are going to be showing. If you have referrals, they're going to be showing your referrals and what you have earned so far. After that, the next you just need to come over to this place that is a KYC over here. Click on this KYC, and once you click on this KYC over here, so once you click on the KYC, you're going to be seeing where they are going to be asking you over here to fill in. You just need to put in your full name. That is the 3 names. These are your names. Just put in your names here, then you can put your father's name here, the date of birth over here also. Then here you just need to put in the place where they gave birth to you. Yes. Then here you just need to put in your address, the same address that's going to be appearing on the documents that you want to use also. Then here you can just select the country. Once you click over to this place, all the countries are going to appear. You just need to select the country you're coming from. Then here that is a ID type. You just need to select the ID type you want to use, whether the passport or the national ID card or the driving license. You want to use any of them, you just make sure you select them. Then you make sure you put the ID that you want to use, the number here, ID number. Then over here you just need to put in your photo over here, taking of your selfie photo and put over here. Then you just put in the front of your ID card and the back of your ID card. Then after that you just need to click on back to this place that they say submit over here. So once you submit everything, this is how it's going to be. It's going to be under review. So we don't know the time that they are going to review to approve the KYC, but you just need to do it and just wait. And once the KYC is approved, it's going to be showing you verified over here. The next thing that we need to do over here, let me just go on this one briefly. You just need to come over to this place that they say tax over here. There's some tax for us to do over here, and as you can see over here, you just need to follow them, like and repost. So all you just need to do over here is just to click over to this place that is say open Twitter here. Just click on it, it's going to open for you. You follow them, then over this place over here, you show that you're following them on their X. Then you're also going to put your X username over here. That's your X, your handle over here, which is your username. Then here you're going to put in the link that shows that you're followed and like and repost. I'm going to be taking. So first of all, let us open our X and follow them over to this place. Let's start with this one over here. So you just give it time for it to load your X out. So you need to log in your X account. So let me just re-log in. So once you log in and come to the X account over here, you just need to follow them. Click on this place that they say follow. So if you want to get the APK and maybe when you're registering it did not pump out, just come over to this place that is over here. Click on it this way. Just give it time to load. So now that it has opened, you just need to do is just to click over to this place that they say download, and you're going to download the APK. As for me, I've already downloaded. So you want to read more, just come over to see this place to read more about the project. You're going to see the white paper, the roadmap and everything, but that is not what we are here to do. Now after following the next thing you just need to do over here is just to come over to this place, do this way, like, then over here you just need to just repost. Yes, just click on that and click on this place that they say repost over here. As you can see, you have a repost. Then you just need to drop a comment. Just click over to this place this way to drop a comment. So after writing, let's just write nice project. You just come over to this place over here and click on reply. As you can see, so everything here, you just need to go back to your, so you come back to your page this way. You're going to see over here on your post, it's going to be reflecting on your posts, or if you want to find it, come on replies, you're going to be seeing it. So the next thing that you just need to do over here is just to come over to this place that it says search over here. Click on this search this way. Then you're just going to copy. Click on this copy that is here. You just copy it. But first of all, make sure you follow them and make sure to copy